right around the corner, and I have come up with non-cost, last-minute gift ideas for your dad. My first idea is to give your dad a head massage. Give him a head massage so he feels relaxed from his hard day. My second idea is to give your dad a pedicure. You can give him a warm bucket of water and make him feel cozy and relaxed on this Father's Day. My third idea is to solve puzzles with your dad. You can solve all the puzzles that you weren't able to solve all these days. Fourth is Legos. You can build Legos with your dad and teach him all the different ways that you know, and he can teach you all the different ways that he knows. Fifth is rock painting. I have painted on my rock, really big rock, and it's a cup, and it says I Heart Dad on it, and you can paint on small rocks or big rocks any way you want. Sixth is making a card for your dad. I have made this really big card for my dad, which I made by taping 8 pieces of paper together. And you can open it up like this, and then later I am gonna write something on here or draw, and it's gonna look really nice. You can make it small or big, doesn't matter. And I just wanted to wish you a happy Father's Day. Make sure you make your dad feel special on Father's Day. And I hope you liked all my ideas. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell button, and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye!